Is gushing through the solid portion of the ground by carrying throughout the dropping points on the roots and the base of the roots, which leads to the formation of one such is this structure,
పెట్టుకోవే పెట్టుకో చూసుకుంటూ ఏ పాట
the other end of